Our company, Genixgreen, have more than 11 years of lithium battery manufacturing experience. Our engineer team have more than 15 years in lithium battery industry. Support OEM and ODM service. We have research and development capabilities and a variety of energy storage products are independently designed and produced by our company. Today we're going to show you our factory and analyze the current lithium battery market situation. We separate it into 4 parts of our life theme. First part, company profile, which will be introduced by Joanna. And second part is our new arrival products, which will be introduced by our Frank. And third part is me to introduce our production workshop. The 4 parts, me, let's have some courage to me. And the 4th part, last but not least, our action and advantages for against the battery material increasing. Christina and Victor will take a question and answer approach to analyze the whole battery market's challenges and what preparation of our company have made. Hi. So firstly, welcome our Joanna for our first part.
Hi everybody, I'm Joanna from Genixgreen. Nice to meet you here today. Today I'd like to introduce our factory to you briefly. Genixgreen, we are Dongguan, China based, and we have been specialized in lithium phosphate battery for 11 years as ISO 9001 and 2015 and BSCI approved factory. We have 5 automatic production lines with more than 200 employees, 70 manufacturing equipment. Besides, we have very strong engineering team, 2 mechanical engineers, 4 BMS developing engineers, 3 electrical engineers, and application engineers. Also, we have 2 technical after-sales support engineers. Every year, we will develop 5 new energy storage products. At present, we have developed 6 patent products. For example, we have installation pack battery, Xbox One all-in-one storage battery, Xbox 2 power wall, Timer portable power station, Xbox 3 in the patent application stage. Our R&D and personnel are with rich experience. For example, mechanical engineers with about 20 years of experience, BMS developing engineers with about 15 years of experience, electrical engineers and application engineers with about 15 years of experience. Of course, we have professional R&D equipment and software for them to develop new products as well as perfect R&D process. Now I'll show you our office. This is our present room. As you can see, they have meetings. And this is our general manager's room. Now, nobody is there. This is our structural engineer chef. As you can see, she is doing the diagram. Let's take a closer look. And this is our R&D department. This is factory director room. They're in meeting. And this is finance room. Let's move on to our conference room. Usually we will have a meeting here to discuss some important issues. This is our showroom. Some small products here. We have very strict quality control system for these products. For example, when the raw materials coming to our factory, we'll have incoming materials control, and in production, we will have in-process quality control. And when finished product, we will have outgoing quality control. We do 100% for quality inspection and agent test to ensure the product quality is very good. We have different production lines. We have energy storage system, telecom base station battery, lithium battery, lithium phosphate battery pack, and power wall. As you can see, we have very product certification here. We have patented the product. As you can see, like this. This is our patent for our products. This one is for timer, and this one is for power wall. And this is for our power bank heater. This one is for portable energy storage box, and this one is for our all-in-one energy storage equipment, and this one is also for power wall. We have different models. For the product, we have like CE. This is lithium battery power pack. As you can see, this is FCC, and this is also CE for some other models. Our products are CEFCC ROS UL certified. And for the transportation, we have an MSDS. This is material safety data sheet. We have all this MSDS for the transportation. This is UN 38.3 test report. And we also have some DG certificates and sea and air transport certificate for all of our products. For these products and the following products, my colleague Frank will introduce to you. We can provide OEM and ODM services and provide professional and quick technical support and customer service. Our main products is Africa, Southeast Africa, Asia, South America, North America. Then we have cooperated with many battery sales. For example, if sales are Gaussian, Nishan, Haiji. Now let me show you the Haiji district authorization paper. This is a Chinese version.
江苏海基新能源股份有限公司代理商。Yeah. And this is the English version, certificate of authorization. Authorized to be the distributor of lithium sales of Jiangsu Hydro Energy Corporated. Yeah. And this is our certifications of our battery. As you can see, this is BSCI. And this is ISO certificate paper. Yeah, and all these. Besides, we also have very super strong capital flow against the crazily in rising battery sales price. Before Chinese New Year, we have stocked a large number of battery cells to lock the no price for our clients. So you will have some advantage to develop new customers. Now let's move to the next part. Now let's my colleague Frank to introduce some of our products to you.
Hello, every friends. This is Frank at Genixgreen, and I will introduce our sample walls. Let's start from this one. This one is our 5 kilowatt-hour all-in-one storage system. This is the battery 5 kilowatt-hour and 3.2 kilowatts inverter built in the box together. And this is our patent product, and also is private mode. And you can get closely. You can get this is have a beautiful aesthetic, and it's widely application in the solar energy storage system, and used in their home use, such as their televisions, air condition, and refrigerator, and washing machine, and whatever. And we can show you how to use it. Please, Ms. Joy.
So now this is the system, and this is the load, the fan. And we already connect the AC output. So this is the AC output. We plug in.
This is the touch LED screen displays, and we will show you how to set up it.
And it work. And it will show the load information. You can check. It now is 38 watts for the fan. So you can also check the system information from the LCD screen, and you can also check the information from our app on mobile.
Yeah. Thank you. Turn it up, please. So let's go to the next product. This one. This one is 12 voltage and 24 voltage series. This series is 7 ampere hour to 200 ampere hours. We have our different design. You can see this is screw design cover. When you need to open it to check inside or replace the BMS, you can take down the screws and check it out, fix it. And these two series, the cycle at 80% DOE is 4,000 to 6,000 cycles. Also, the application is very wide. And sales is good sales, automotive. So the BMS is also the intelligent BMS. You can add some customized functions, such as the Bluetooth. You can use your mobile app to monitor the battery state. And also we can add the USB output if you need. Also the LCD screen is available. And we support, this series supports the series and parallel functions. Also, if you need the best price or and other information, please leave your comment or send our message. Send message to us. And this one is our private design power wall. Very beautiful, right? It's 5 kilowatt hours power wall, 6,000 to 8,000 cycles at 80% DOD. We have a patent and a complete certificates. Very widely applications in household electrical to provide electricity to some home use electrical such as TV, lighting, and other. And this power wall can communication with multiple brands of the inverters, such as CRT and SMA, Growatt, and other many brands in the market. Oh. If you find us from our live showroom, we will give you some order discount. Just remind us that you find us from our live showroom. We will give you the discount or better price for the promotion. And this power wall is makes 8 units parallels to get 40 kilowatt hours. Also, we will provide you more customized service, such as you can bring your company logo on the product body and change the color, or you need to add some screen, and you can also use your mobile phone to the app to monitor. Also, after you place the order to our this power wall, our engineer team will follow your installation, and if you meet any technologies problems, just ask us. We will provide you the. As one is this. Also, if you need more product information, just download the catalog and also follow us or send us the inquiry. Oh, just almost forgot. We have got the patents, the outdoor patents, and creative patents and other certifications such as MSDS or UN 38.3. Take it, please. Thank you. And let's go to the next product. This one, you can see it. This one is 48 voltage and 100 ampere hours. Very widely used in the telecommunication tower. And look at this. We have our different designs. This is the X-series bracket holder, like here. Replace the traditional cabinets. It's very convenient to install, and when you shift it, you will save the weight of the cabinet. Is very useful. And we can see it's very easy to move it to anywhere at your home. Also, we have other outlooks. We can add the screens, also the different outputs. Okay, if you need other information, just send us some inquiry. Also, we have other type power wall. We will show you that tomorrow. Okay, so if you have some question or you need the price or other information, whatever, just send us your questions and we will answer you at the first time. Okay, next program is done by Miss Joy to show you our workshop. Here, please.
Hello, it's my turn, and I will show you our workshop. As now is off work time, so there are only few of our staff work here. So we need to enclose this door and another door. This is the gallery and this door. Here is our factory workshop. We have 4 assembly lines for our battery pack manufacturing, and we have 200 employees. And because now is off work time, so we only have few workers working overtime for some orders. And we have more than 70 equipments for the battery manufacturing. You can see there are 2 built assembly line for some battery pack, and we have a rolling assembly line for some big battery pack, because for some big battery the single weight is very heavy to carry, so we use a rolling assembly line for some big battery pack like 48 volt 100 ampere battery and some 24 volt 100 ampere batteries for some solar energy storage system. So you can see now they are producing the battery pack. This is independently designed by our engineer. It is waterproof IP667. It is used for some outdoor application like some solar light, some CCTV, solar CCTV for some highway power supply. And you can see we have some like this equipment, the sorting machine. And this is a sorting machine. The sorting machine is for battery cell testing and to test the battery cell voltage and the resistance, inner resistance of the battery cell, so we can keep the battery cell in consistent status, so we can make it in a battery pack. And this equipment is the automatic welding machine for some cylinder battery pack, like some 18650 battery pack. So we use this automatic welding machine. And we also have some semi-welding machine. You can see there 4 equipments of the welding machine. And the production line now are producing our pattern, also our pattern model. Our pattern model. This is the battery pack for food delivery power supply. We can use this battery pack, connect with a heat pad, and put the heat pad in the bag so we can keep the food in a high temperature, so we can keep the food warm. You can see each position have a SOP. SOP is a standard operation process. You can see this position now is inspect for the DC output. For the DC output, and if it finish test, it will flow to next position. You can see our ITQC will check and inspect whole production process to check our quality. So our quality is firmly ensured. Because this is already in the packaging status, before we make a welding, assembly, and testing. Former days, now is packaging. We use a UN carton. So you can check, this is a UN carton. We export our battery production eagerly using UN carton, and we also have DG certificates for our custom declarations. So you can see also here is our small equipment for tester. Like this one is intelligence resistance of battery meter, and this one is battery comprehensive tester, some DC tester, etc. And our tools our laser welding machine. Because now is no production, so we didn't open the machine. This machine is laser welding machine. It is for welding the prismatic battery cell. So you can see this is the battery cell waiting for welding. We make it in a module and put them on the platform of the machine, so we'll start laser welding. This machine is for assembling some 12 volt, 24 volt, 48 volt, 51.2 volt, 100 ampere hour battery pack. Mainly are for prismatic battery cell. And this is our growing assembly line. It is for big battery pack, and now is under agent test for our battery pack for the full delivery battery. Now it's discharged. You can see it connect a heat pad. Is about 55 watts or 60 watts heat pad, and also have a USB output for some delivery people to charge their phone. So you can see this tooling can stand 150 kilowatts boost. So you can see here also have a SOP, a standard operation process. And these are the semi-products. Semi-products, after we assembling and testing them, we will put them there and waiting for agent test. You can see this is the blue PVC battery pack is 12 volt and 100 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery pack. It is now waiting for agent test. So their next step is to come to the agent test room. So we now come to our laboratory testing room. So you can see there is an agent test module with 100 volt and 100 ampere. It is for testing battery pack within 100 volt, and the watt current is within 100 ampere hour. You can check the battery testing data from the PC Microsoft. This is our Xbox 2, like Frank mentioned before. This is a 51.2 volt 100 ampere hour battery. It is now under testing by 100 ampere 1C discharge. And you can see this is our stock, battery stock for our daily manufacturing. This is the Gaussian brand, Gaussian. We also prepare some battery module housing for our sample order. This is for 48 volt 100 ampere. And this is our comprehensive testing machine. After we assembling the battery pack, we will use this machine to test if the battery pack is well welded. If you have any product inquiry, you can drop a line or send us an inquiry. This is our Xbox 2. We now finished the silk print. If you want to OEM your logo on it, we also available to print your logo. We have MOQ. You can connect our sales for more details. Sample room. Our engineer will assemble our battery samples in this room. So you can see now is the steps of assembling the signal cables. So you can see our signal cable is well weighted, and this is a construction to fixing the battery very firmly in the housing. Also, there are portable power generators like 500 watt inverter. And this is a quality department. Our QC staffs are in this office, and we have incoming quality control and in-process quality control and outgoing quality control. And this is our agent room for aging test for the battery pack. It's a little bit noisy. That's why I'm wearing this. So this is the battery pack under testing or fitness test. We will put them there. And this is a 12volt 40 ampere hour battery. It is used for some small solar energy storage. You can see this is our agent test machine. We have 300 agent points for our battery pack testing. So daily we can test 500 pieces of 48 volt 100 ampere battery pack. Each channel have 10 and 20 and 60 ampere charge and discharge current, so we can test our battery pack. So they are under testing. And also you can check the batteries testing data from the computer. And if you need your testing data, you can ask our sales to send you a file so you can know the complete discharge and charge cycles and the capacity outlets. This is also the agent test machine. And this is a machine to test the battery pack in different temperature, like very high temperature and low temperature. What's the battery performance? So this is the machine to test the battery in different temperature. And also these are agent test machine. This one is the sorting machine for some cylinder battery cell. So we can test the voltage and capacity of the battery cell. This one also the agent test machine. And this machine is for testing the battery cell's cycle life. We didn't turn off the system. We keep it on always. And now we can test the cycle life. Like NCM battery, the cycle life is about 500 to 800 cycles. We need to test for 3 to 5 years for it, so it will still on. Next station we will come to our warehouse. So this is our warehouse. We prepare some material and the packaging there. It's dark. This is one of our warehouse, and also have a UN cotton packaging warehouse for stock the cottons. So here is my turn, and next I will let Christina and to show you our advantages.
Hi guys, it's my pleasure to be here to meet you, and I feel quite honored. So since it's a little bit noisy here, because the agent testing room is just next to the door, so it's a little bit noisy. I suggest that we go to the sample room, and it will be a little bit quiet. And I will also give you some news about the lithium battery industry. Okay, so follow me. So since our factory is big, so maybe it will take a few minutes to go to reach the sample room. So how are you feeling about the girls and the boys, the ladies and the gentlemen?
Hello.
So do you like the broadcasting? If you like, please drop us an email or some inquiry. Okay, so you can also give the code for when you send the inquiry to get the discount.
of your order. No matter your sample order or your bulk order, you will get a very favorable price. So it will take another 2 minutes, okay? Patient. Okay, this is the ISO, and from this ISO you can see our workshop 1, workshop 2. It's 6:30 p.m. here, so a little bit dark. Okay, this is our culture for the workshop. So every week we have some of the workers who is with the best performance, whose picture will be put here. Okay, there's 2 handsome boys this week, and also we will do outing for building the team. So here are lots of pictures. You can see that our workers and the employees are very happy, live happily, and also work happily. Okay, so do you follow me? Now we will go to the sample room. It's a little bit dark, no? Do you have enough light? Okay. Now this is our sample room, and just now I think Mr. Frank already stood here and showed you some of our products here, like the box 2, maybe box 3, and tomorrow he's going to show you more products like the power wall and also the all-in-one energy storage box. And you can also see that we have different brands of the inverters here, like Groat, lithium, and SMA, and some other brands, and Victron. I think some of you already asked me how to connect our box 2 with the Victron inverters. I think we already communicated very successful. Okay, it's good news for you. And our batteries are compatible with different brands of inverters. So don't worry, just take it easy. You can, no matter what brand of inverters you have with you, or no matter what brands of inverters your customer have. So just don't worry, just order our batteries. We will, we will complete the trainings of the installations for you and your customers and your partners. Okay, so Victor's, I'm quite happy that Victor is here, and today Victor is going to give us some news or some reference of the lithium battery industry. So I'm going to ask some questions, and Victor will give us, some answers. Okay, so Victor, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, sure. Please.
Oh, by the way, since now it's the period of COVID-19, and after the COVID-19, I think Victor and the gentlemen and the ladies, which should do products and factories today, will go to visit you and your team. Okay, so Victor, are you ready for my questions?
Sure.
I have a few questions from some of the customers on WhatsApp. So I'm going to answer you, okay?
Okay.
The first question from the customer, Mr. Grant. He's asking what the biggest challenge of the lithium battery industry now?
Okay.
So maybe you would like to talk about it?
Okay. It is my pleasure to answer this so great question. I think currently the world of China and the raw material of lithium battery have big challenge is the raw material price is going up. And maybe some customer ask me how much percent increase of raw material price. Now I want to give you the very crazy information. Not several percent, just twice, several times. For example, the core material of lithium phosphate battery have one kind of material. The price is 5 to 6 times than last December.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think currently we have the biggest challenge of raw material price is going up.
So I can continue with my second question. Another question from WhatsApp. Customer Mr. Mark is asking, since we already have this challenge and also together with some other challenges, so how we prepare for it?
Oh, okay. I think this is a very great question. And Genixgreen have more than 11 years of battery manufacturing experience. And our team have very close partnership with the top cell manufacturer. So we already got the upstream raw material price going up information. Our team already did some things to prepare the price going up. So I think 6 months ago, our team already predict the raw material price will go up, and we ordered almost more than 100,000 cells to be stocked. So I think our Genixgreen has fixed price and a good price of the sales stock. This is our very, very good choice and right choice for us.
This is a huge invest.
Yes. This is a very large capital for cash stream, but I think our team already overcome this problem. We have confidence we can provide the good price and the fast delivery service to our customer.
Yeah, this is really big advantage for Genixgreen. And for my information, I think most of the manufacturers and suppliers, they don't have the vision, they don't have the cash flow to pre-order the sales to save money and reduce the cost for our partners, customers, and the end users.
Yes, you're right. I think this is a marketing strategy. Just how I mentioned, our Genixgreen have more than 11 years, and our team is very professional, and we want to involve our energy for our battery industry. So we don't care our cash flow. I spend a lot of money and a lot of energy to prepare the battery cell. So I think just now I think we already did the right thing.
Yeah, that's a big picture. And I have the third question. Also from WhatsApp. This is from a customer named Mr. Tony. Compared with other suppliers, what advantages will Genixgreen have?
Okay, I think this is a good question for Genixgreen. But now I just want to give the three common advantages for Genixgreen. The first, just as I mentioned, we already prepared the battery cell in stock in around 6 months. Okay. So our price is very stable compared with the other competitors or other suppliers. This is our first advantage. The second advantage, I think, just now I think Miss Joy and our team already showed our battery cell stock in our warehouse. If like this, I think we can shorten our delivery time. For example, and if you want to place order quantity more than 200 pieces for 48 volt 100 ampere hours, and generally the delivery time is around 25 to 30 days in the common day in the common order. But Genixgreen only need 10 to 14 days 10 to 40 days can finish the 200 pieces, 48 volt, 100 ampere water. So we can ensure our end user and the customer cash flow. We can provide the high capital per offer efficiency.
Yeah, usually with the same for our partners with the same funds, maybe they can have a double turnover.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, than before.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, I think our customers and the partners will be quite happy.
Yeah. And the third core advantage, I think our team, just now, I think our colleague, Miss Joanna and Frank already introduced our manufacturer. And so, this is our battery. Our battery already communicate with a lot of different brand importers, like XMA, Wigtron, Photolix, and a Chinese brand that grow up. So far, would we a lot of imported products? I think.
And I hear from the engineer that for the African market, we also can communicate with the sensing.
Sensing, and sensing is very easy for us. Yeah, we already did communication with the sensing and 2 years ago. And in fact, we already have a lot of Genixgreen batteries with and sensing inverters in the market. So these are very simple things.
So guys, so don't worry about the brands of your inverters. Just send us inquiries, and you can also require the catalog. Okay, and because of the broadcasting, we can give you discount for 10% off. Okay, don't miss the good opportunity to save the cost.
Okay, one more thing, Genixgreen and Victor give our words to our end user. The first, if our customer select Genixgreen as the partner, and we can provide very quick response, technical service, and we have very professional engineer team to do engineering support our customers, whatever 8 hours or 16 hours or 24 hours. We can working and do technical support 24 hours all over the world. We can keep our promise. Yeah.
And I just talked with the the international marketing director that we are looking for distributors worldwide. So if you are in the lithium battery industry and you are interested to cooperate with Genixgreen, don't miss the opportunity. We're also quite interested, no matter you want to contact Miss Zoe, Miss Joanna, or Mr. Frank, or Christina, or Victor, or some other handsome gentlemen and some other pretty ladies. So don't hesitate. We're waiting for your inquiry and your emails. And I think this is all for today. Thanks for your time.